everyone, Rizza here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm about to show you my daytime skincare routine. We are about to head out, so I thought I'd show you guys my daytime skincare routine for this year. And just a quick disclaimer, it varies a lot depending on my skin type. All of the products that I will be showing you today might work for me but might not work for you, or the other way around. So it's still up to you to do your research, but here I am just sharing all the things or all the products that I'm using for my skincare routine. My skin type is combination as of now, oily on the T-zone and dry patches on my face. I actually have quite a few pigmentations right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the morning, I don't really cleanse because lalong-lalo na kapag nakapag-exfoliate na ako last night, or if I use my cleaning tools last night. So last night I did, so today I will go straight ahead with my toner. I am using Beauty Water by Sun and Pork. I got this from BeautyMNL. I will just be putting the links down below. No cotton pads, let's save Mom Earth. And tap it on your face. Tap, tap, tap. Don't forget your neck. And then I go in with my DNA Repair Elixir. This is by LANA PH, one of my business babies. I do 2 pumps of these for my entire face and neck. Just like that. Very, very lightweight serum. And I use this day and night. This also helps treat my hyperpigmentation. And it also has central asiatica, niacinamide, and collagen to make everything hydrated. I like putting lightweight products in the morning because with the humid weather here in the Philippines, alam nyo naman, ayaw natin ng malagkit. Right after the DNA repair, let's go in with our moisturizer. Currently, I am using this one. This is my current favorite, the Happy Skin Hyaluronic plus B3 Boost Water Cream. Wow, nasabi ko rin ng tama. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides. That's really good for your face and for your hydration. Very lightweight moisturizer. Looks like this. Warm it up your hands and pat gently on your face. Always remember your neck. And last but not the least, kahit umalis ako ng bahay or hindi, I still put on the LANA PH Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock. I use 2 pumps of these for my face and neck. In there. This is non-sticky. One of the first ever products of LANA PH. And with most skin, it won't leave a white cast. Ganyan siya sa umpisa because of the ingredients, but as you go along, as you spread it on your entire face, mawawala din siya. Don't forget your eyelids, friends, your forehead, your ears, the back of your ears, your nape or your buttock, your chest, and neck, and hands, of course. Yeah, look at that. And of course, for my lips, I will use this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Berry. So there you go, that's my super quick AM skincare routine. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below kung meron pa kayong mga suggestions and questions. I will try my best to make a video out of that. And thanks again so much for your support. I really, really appreciate you guys. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!